yoga friends, let's start our peaceful practice. Stand tall, reach your arms straight overhead, and lengthen your body. Lower hips to the floor, bend the back knee up, and arch back to hold the foot overhead. Kneel down, push your hips forward, and arch backward until your hands touch your heels. Lift your knees and push your hips up and back to form an inverted V shape. Lie on your belly, place hands by your chest, and press up to lift your chest forward. Fold your torso down over one leg while extending the other leg straight, up toward the ceiling. Sit back on your heels, extend your arms and torso flat forward on the floor, and lower your forehead. Stand straight, fold your torso down from the hips toward your legs, and let your head hang. Drop your hips down into a deep squat, keeping your spine straight and knees wide. Bend your front knee at 90 and extend your back leg straight on your toes, keeping your torso upright. Bend your front knee, extend the back leg, lift your foot, and hold it with your hands while arching back. Stand firm, lift your knee sideways, and kick out high and strong while maintaining balance. Sit cross-legged comfortably. Keep your spine straight and place your hands on your knees to relax.